Michael from Katy has a question about an overpacked panel.
It all started when the electrician came to call, Tom.
Yeah.
Michael writes, he said the electrician said the builder stacked too many ground arc fault breakers in a row in this panel. He sent a picture of his panel here for us to see. And he said, I needed a subpanel installed to give the breakers more room so they wouldn't get too hot. By the way, my home is only 4 years old. So, Tom, does this sound right to you?
Those old arc fault breakers,
as opposed to old fart breakers.
Yeah, old fart breakers. Right. They've always been a problem in the industry. Now, does he need to get a sub panel? I don't know yet. If it doesn't, I would go ahead and replace it. This is my advice. If it happens again in 4 or 5 years, maybe you'll consider a sub panel and see if you can open it up. But those things are real. They're delicate and they're kind of a pain, to be honest with you. When they came out, it was giving everybody fits. But I would not put the panel in yet. I would take the suggestion. I would put it in the suggestion drawer, and I would live with it a little bit longer. The worst you're going to do is buy a new breaker. It's not going to hurt anything. It's not going to start on fire, and it might never happen again. It might have just been that breaker was a little archy faulty.
Is that a technical term? It's like that is. Like the roofer figure out thing. Okay.
Yes.
You got a question? Tom will give you an answer that may surprise you. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll do a video just like this for you. And we'll post it on our website, our Facebook page, or maybe even our YouTube channel. If you want to know when new ones hit, subscribe and click the bell on YouTube, and you'll be the first to know.